Okay, we got a level 4 kind of, and I think I've really messed up what I had before. Haven't made the wire so long, about 3 inches of stainless steel wrap over top of the tungsten rods. It's changed the properties. It's causing the fire to flow outside the stainless steel and also around the outside of the washer, so there's almost like a double circuit. And what I've been seeing here, you know, even with the circuit disrupted like this, I'm watching the inside of the flame here, and it looks as if the flame on the bottom is pulling in toward the center, so there's some kind of electrostatic attraction between the outside and the inside. So where the wire wrap, stainless wire wrap, was not as precision, where it was shorter and a little more chaotic, it allowed the center and the outside to connect. So you can see there is something like a positive negative effect here. You can see the bottom pulling up like a funnel, pulling up from the bottom to the center. So it's not a total waste. I haven't done this. Let's change the color of the flame. I don't get the green in this one. Interesting. So the flame's a little more stable here, but it's not as intensified as if the wire was wrapped, you know, shortened. But it tells me that shortening the length may or should get the effects back, so that's what we're going to try. This is a very beautiful flame the way it is. Little bit of level 4 action happening. You can see the fire on the bottom of the pipe wanting to join with the center. So we are seeing for the first time a visual combination of positive negative. This is interesting. It's a very, very beautiful flame. Before it was getting yellow inside the Joe pipe, now it's just a nice beautiful blue. So there's no flame except for the level 4 in the back, with the partial level 4. So the light that you see within the Joe pipe itself, the blue, the iris, is just the light coming off from the level 4 itself. Okay, it's give you a visual here. As you can see, nothing coming out. You don't want to get any closer than here, where my hand is now. My hand's about a foot away. It's very, very intense. More so than before, in the prior level 4. That dot there is just a piece of metal that's turning red. So if I was going to use this for application, it would be, how could you name this? Level 4 with level 3. We actually get more exhaust heat coming out. It's still very intense. It's not quite level 4, like a full level 4. It's more thermal than it is electric. I want to get my buzzing back again. Okay, anyway, there's something to be learned here. And we're going to turn up the air. The air is right on the lowest setting. No, causes it to go out, see? On the full level 4, that wasn't the case. I wouldn't have been putting out the flame. Let's crank up the flame a little more. The flame's set as low as it can. So the full level 4 is actually more stable than this. The air is right on the lowest setting. Now I can actually see, you can see where, yes, it there. You can see where the two parts of the level 4, the positive and negative, is separated again. And the ends of the tungstens are fairly bright orange. The eye is fairly uniform, not chaotic, like a full level 4. Okay. Let's turn up the air, just to fine tune. You can see the blue flame going in. It's not going to take much to heat water, that's for sure. You see where it's bringing out the orange cone. The pipe's beginning to change. Very smooth. Too much for a small water heater. You're probably going to have to go, I don't know, 20 gallons and up. Because even on low, it's probably going to heat up about 10 gallons to pretty hot temperatures. You need a project name for the hot water heater, Joe Pipe heater system. Anybody got an idea? You need a project name to take to the Dragon's Den. I've been thinking also of calling the airlines guy, you know, that Virgin Airlines, the guy that owns that Virgin Airlines. Maybe get in touch with him. Maybe make an event for him and see if he'll make the some water heaters that could go out to the third world and to America, to the many homeless that are soon to be in America. Turning down the air. Let's see what happens when you crank it. Hoo-hoo. Pretty flames, look at that. Now we're turning up the air. Make a killer water heater. Air's down. There, it's inside. That's a level 4, a little more thermal.